Primrose? Primrose? Yes, Grandma? Come in. Where is your mother, Hortense? Oh, Grandma, she gone to the shop. Alright, you go and get my Bible. Let me read my Bible there. See your Bible here, Grandma. See your Bible here. Alright, I'm gonna read my Bible. Okay? Alright, you go back and watch what you're watching on YouTube. Oh, yes, Grandma. Yes, Grandma. Yes, yes. Yes? Who is that calling me? Mama? Mama? Hortense, is you that? What happening now? Let me get up and come to you. Oh, really? You go down to the shop? Eh? And something bad happened down there. What happened down there, Hortense? Oh, Mama, I pity you, don't know what happened down at the shop, Mama, 2 young boy lost them life down at the shop, Mama, 2 young boy. As I go down there, Mama, as I go down there, Mama, it's a good thing I never sent Primrose, Mama. If you see what happened down there, Mama, we can't believe one crowd down there now, Mama. One crowd down there now. It's pure balling. Mama, the community is in shock. What happened down there, Mama? They were playing domino on the side of the road, Mama. Playing domino on the side of the road. And this car, this black car, Mama, just drive by, Mama. Oh, Lord, Mama. It's a good thing I listen to you when you said don't send Primrose down there. It's a good thing I listen to you, Mama. It's good to listen, Mama. It's good to listen. Mama, I have to tell you thanks, Mama. I have to tell you thanks, Mama. I have to tell you thanks, Mama. Oh, Mama, if you feel me heart no, Mama, me heart no feel good. Me heart feel like it all drop out, Mama. When me, as me go down there, Mama, me see the crowd, and when me investigate, Mama, me hear say 2 young boys from the communities, 4 of them sit down and play domino, Mama, and 2 spread out right there on the ground, Mama. Mama. And then young too, you know, Mama, them very young. Them just in their 20s, them not live no life yet. And them are no wrong door, you know, Mama, them are no wrong door. Them just did they play domino, Mama. Yes, Mama. Mama, me get me understand, say, I want how the UN come for, Mama. Yes, Mama. But, oh my, Mama, the wrong person it happened to, Mama. You see what I telling you? You see what I tell you, Hortense? I see what I tell you? You're not listening to me. Things like this will reach you know, if you're not listening. You must learn to listen to the parents and grandparents where they a long time on earth and know how water what pumpkin belly. You must learn to listen. These jackass falla cane bomb go a pound. Here's jackass falla cane bomb go a pound. And if cow can't hear, in neck belong to the butcher. Mama, how will you get them the whole time talking from, Mama? Me no want to hear them there now, Mama. You always a come with the foolishness, Mama. You always a come with the foolishness. Mama talk something with sense now, Mama. Where you get them the kind of talking from? Well, all right then. Since you cannot hear then, since you can't hear, a long time me born on there. All right then, Athens. All right. You make me continue read my Bible because that is all what me need in these times is to read my Bible because the time is drawing closer and closer. Please to like and subscribe. Thank you. And keep up to date with the videos, okay? Very informative.